Once you remove the Pavlik harness from the packet, place the baby in the center of the X. Put the chest strap in line with the nipples, ensuring that there are 3 fingers underneath so it is not too tight. Take the right strap, pull it through, and then the left strap, and pull it through. Once this is secure, again check that it is not too snug around the chest. Next is the leg pieces. First you place the foot in, you try to dorsiflex the foot up, and the strap at the bottom, here, and then the second upper strap. Behind the leg. 1 finger in between each strap to ensure it is not too snug. Then we'll do the left leg in the same fashion, where we dorsiflex the foot up, put the strap in, go around, and around. Again, check to ensure that it's not too snug. Then the front straps will be fastened into the additional plastic pieces. Then the left side is done. Then the baby is turned over on its stomach to place the back straps through the plastic pieces. And then the right. Once this is complete, you turn the baby back over for a safety check and to ensure that it is fitted appropriately. You want to make sure that the hips are at 90 degrees and pulling them down and they can't go any further. And then you want to additionally make sure that when the legs get pressed together, the knees do not touch and you want to have a fist in between. Just like